Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on January 27th and 28th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Chocolate Cake Day. National Chocolate Cake Day, celebrated on January 27th each year, is a delightful holiday for sweet-tooth enthusiasts and chocolate lovers across the globe. This day is dedicated to appreciating and indulging in one of the most beloved desserts, chocolate cake. Originating from the 19th century, when chocolate was first incorporated into cakes, this day has become a popular culinary celebration. Whether it's a classic layered cake, a rich and gooey lava cake, or an innovative chocolate creation, the day encourages people to savor and share their favorite chocolate cake recipes. It's a day when bakeries and cafes often feature special chocolate cake menus, and social media is abuzz with mouth-watering chocolate cake images and recipes. On National Chocolate Cake Day, people are encouraged to bake their own chocolate cakes at home, experimenting with various recipes ranging from traditional to avant-garde. It's also a perfect opportunity for friends and family to gather and enjoy this sweet treat together, perhaps accompanied by a cup of coffee or a glass of milk. The day serves as a reminder of the simple joys in life and how a slice of chocolate cake can bring a smile to anyone's face. It's not just about satisfying a sweet craving, but also about celebrating the art of baking and the universal love for chocolate. National Seed Swap Day. National Seed Swap Day is a unique and eco-conscious holiday celebrated annually on the last Saturday of January. This special day is dedicated to the exchange of seeds among gardeners, farmers, and horticulture enthusiasts. The concept of seed swapping is rooted in agricultural tradition and community sharing. It dates back centuries when farmers and gardeners would gather to exchange seeds from their most successful plants, thereby ensuring a diverse and resilient crop for the coming season. This tradition has been revived in modern times as a way to promote biodiversity, preserve heirloom species, and foster a sense of community among those who share a passion for gardening. Events for National Seed Swap Day are often organized by gardening clubs, community centers, and environmental groups. These events provide a platform for participants to exchange seeds, share gardening tips, and learn about sustainable gardening practices. It's not just an opportunity to diversify one's garden with new plants but also a chance to learn about different species and their specific growing conditions. The day underscores the importance of seed saving and exchanging as a way to protect plant varieties, especially those that are rare or endangered. It also serves as a reminder of the importance of sustainability and self-reliance in gardening, encouraging people to grow their own food and connect with the environment. Lego Day. Lego Day, celebrated annually on January 28th, is a day dedicated to one of the world's most famous and beloved toys, Lego bricks. This day commemorates the patenting of the original Lego brick design in 1958 and celebrates the endless creativity and imagination that Lego has inspired in both children and adults for generations. The iconic interlocking brick system, invented by Ole Kirk Christensen in Denmark, transformed the landscape of play and learning, allowing for endless possibilities in construction and design. Lego Day is a celebration of this innovative spirit and the joy these simple bricks have brought to millions around the world. On Lego Day, enthusiasts of all ages engage in various Lego-related activities. Events such as building competitions, exhibitions showcasing intricate Lego models, and community build events are common. This day also sees many educators incorporating Lego into their teaching, emphasizing its role in fostering creativity, problem-solving skills, and spatial awareness in children. For adults, it's a nostalgic journey back to their childhood, often rekindling their love for Lego through complex builds. Whether it's constructing a small house or an elaborate castle, Lego Day is about unleashing one's imagination and commemorating a toy that has become a cultural icon and a tool for learning and innovation. National Daisy Day. National Daisy Day, celebrated annually on January 28th, is a delightful tribute to one of the most charming and recognizable flowers, the daisy. This day celebrates the simplicity and joy that daisies bring into our lives. Known for their bright white petals and sunny yellow centers, daisies are often associated with purity, innocence, and new beginnings. The daisy, which is actually a composite of two flowers, the central disc florets and the surrounding ray florets, has a humble beauty that has inspired poets, artists, and nature lovers for centuries. National Daisy Day is an opportunity to appreciate this cheerful flower, whether by planting daisies, creating floral arrangements, or simply enjoying their presence in gardens and wildflower fields. The celebration of National Daisy Day often includes activities like floral craft workshops, gardening seminars focused on daisies, and nature walks to appreciate wild daisies in their natural habitat. It's a day that encourages people to learn more about the variety of daisy species and their importance in the ecosystem. Gardeners might exchange different types of daisy seeds or plants, promoting the growth of these delightful flowers. Additionally, it's a day for people to share stories, poems, and artwork inspired by daisies, reflecting the flower's influence on culture and art. National Daisy Day is a reminder of the simple joys of nature and the beauty that can be found in the everyday. National Blueberry Pancake Day. National Blueberry Pancake Day, celebrated each year on January 28th, is a whimsical holiday dedicated to one of the most beloved breakfast dishes, blueberry pancakes. This special day is a tribute to the delicious combination of fluffy pancakes studded with juicy, sweet blueberries. The tradition of making pancakes dates back centuries, and the addition of blueberries is a distinctly American twist, given the fruit's abundance in North America. Blueberry pancakes have become a staple in many households and diners, offering a delightful start to the day or a comforting breakfast for dinner experience. National Blueberry Pancake Day is an invitation to indulge in this classic comfort food, whether you prefer them topped with syrup, dusted with powdered sugar, or served plain. Celebrating National Blueberry Pancake Day is simple and enjoyable. It's all about making and eating blueberry pancakes. People are encouraged to try out new recipes or stick with their tried and true favorites. It's an opportunity for families and friends to gather in the kitchen, flipping pancakes together and enjoying the aroma of cooking blueberries. This day also inspires creativity in the kitchen, with some experimenting with various pancake ingredients like whole wheat flour or alternative milks, and toppings like honey, yogurt, or fresh whipped cream. For many, it's not just about the pancakes themselves, but the joy of creating something delicious and sharing it with loved ones. National Blueberry Pancake Day is a celebration of good food, good company, and the simple pleasures that make everyday life sweet. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.